DDI teams only discover problems after users call. Let's flip the script with BlueCat Integrity X's new real-time metrics. Integrity X now includes a native Prometheus-based telemetry system that works right out of the box. Once deployed, every BlueCat appliance begins streaming key performance indicators, CPU usage, memory consumption, queries per second, lease rates, utilization stats, service status, and more into a centralized store. Individual components, BlueCat Address Manager servers and BlueCat DNS, DHCP servers, or BDDS, have their own dashboards where metrics can be viewed in time ranges from the last 10 minutes to 14 days. The DNS tab gives us rich metrics with easy-to-read charts and graphs. Here, we see that query rates are fairly steady, and most top DNS queries are for internal host names. Next, we review DNS metrics by opcode, resource record type, response R code, and system health indicators for our DNS infrastructure. Let's zoom into our 10-minute view for a more detailed look. We immediately notice an uptick in DNS queries per second. The top queries now include domains like .casino and .xyz. Even more concerning, our top DNS clients have changed. We're now seeing a few clients sending a lot of queries to these suspicious domains, suggesting possible use of a domain generation algorithm as part of a malware attack. Let's export this top DNS clients list and our top DNS queries data so the security team can investigate further. Now, we'll use our response policies to black hole these suspicious queries. We'll simply add the two domain names as wildcards to our RPZ black hole policy and click Create. With these concerning DNS queries now being black holed, we can move into forensics. Because BlueCat Integrity X uses Prometheus-based telemetry for metrics collection, tools like Grafana can pull data directly from the Prometheus time series database on the address manager. Meanwhile, DNS activity and other service-level data are streamed through the vector pipeline, allowing integration with enterprise observability platforms like Splunk, Elastic, Kafka, and others. This gives DDI administrators the ability to perform deeper analysis, correlate across data sources, and retain data for longer periods. Now let's switch to our Grafana instance. Here we've pre-built dashboards to explore DNS and DHCP activity in more detail, from heatmaps showing query and next domain rates to charts highlighting top-level domains with the most queries. Next, we'll explore Elastic, streaming DNS logs directly from BDDS. We can filter records of interest, identify who's making which queries, and get a clear view for investigation. With up-to-date metrics and visualizations included right in the BlueCat Address Manager, DDI administrators can keep their fingers on the pulse of their network. To learn more about how visualizations and metrics in Integrity X can help you spot trends in your DDI environment, visit bluecatnetworks.com/products/integrity.